The title of the research is Measuring the Values of Corporate Culture through Evaluating the Corporate Sustainability from Employees' Perspective. Objectives. This study seeks to assess the values of corporate culture for the corporation by investigate, review, and measure structural dimensions toward enhancing corporate sustainability. It can be a reference for companies and firms looking for development in the present and future needs. It can be used by researchers interested in sustainability organizational culture relationship to achieve high sustainability and reach new levels within the companies that seeks for a new source of competitive advantages. Introduction. The organizational culture. Organizational culture is critical in fostering a new way of thinking and behaving in daily tasks, as well as an improvement in social and financial obligations to the community and the future generation. The significance of corporate sustainability. It integrates the triple bottom line to assess sustainability for the welfare of society and stakeholders also. The definition of corporate sustainability is described as adopting business strategies that meet the needs of the company and its stakeholders today while maintaining, sustaining, and enhancing the human and natural resources that will be needed in the future. Corporate sustainability and corporate culture evaluation. Assessing the relationship between sustainability-oriented organizational culture and the potential for improvements. Corporate culture evaluation focused on the principles and value basis. Corporate sustainability ideals are adopted by change in employee values and moral toward more responsible values. The three pillars of the sustainability will start with the social development, focusing on reducing inequalities and improving quality of life. This involves exceeding legal frameworks, ensuring transparency, and engaging with stakeholders. The management strategy, lowering social inequality, enhancing stakeholders' commitment, and strengthening relationships. The social responsibility, addressing social issues, paying more attention to societies and employees' health and safety, be frank with consumers and workers, respecting stakeholders' interests, and enhancing public transparency. Stakeholder relationships, focusing on current and future stakeholder relationships to ensure commitment to the company. The second pillar is the economical dimension. We are talking now about the economical development, emphasizing value creation beyond financial performance, value creation through green technologies and investor collaboration that contribute to sustainable economy. Value development, actions needing to economic development rather than relying solely on financial results, such as value creation, achieving long-term stability, and market price assessment. Green technology, adding value to companies' products and services by adopting green technology, optimizing environmentally friendly businesses, and smart economic growth. The competitive advantage, produce competitive goods, collaborating with investors, and service development. The final pillar is the environmental. The environmental development aim to minimize the ecological footprint of organizations through efficient resource use, pollution reduction, and sustainable product redesign. Ecosystem preservation, implementing best practice by using inputs from environmentally friendly industries and products that will have positive impact on living organisms, adhering to regulation that reduce production costs in the long run. The aim of green practices: minimizing pollution, reducing resource usage, operating within the ecosystem's expansion rate, and reducing the collaboration's ecological footprint. Now about the methodology that have been used. It was a kind of questionnaire survey, utilizing surveys to gather employees' perspective of corporate sustainability, focusing on the economic, social, and environmental indicators. The survey results show respondents' variability according to education level, position, and experience. Descriptive analysis of the employee responses illustrates the analysis for each sustainability dimension for categories and the subcategories. Cronbach alpha for the 18th questions is 0.94, suggesting high internal consistency among the items. Sustainability satisfaction and dissatisfaction, classified by dimensions and demographic information, all are presented in the radar charts that are coming on the next slides. The sustainability dimensions for each demographic variable. First of all, about the experience. The experience are classified into two categories. The first one is experience with less than 16 years, and the result was the social sustainability satisfaction was over 50%, while the economic sustainability satisfaction was almost 48%, and the environmental sustainability showing a lack of strong opinion. Experience 16 years or more, the social sustainability satisfaction was 62%. The economic sustainability satisfaction was almost equally, while for the environmental satisfaction, it was neutral. For the manager position, the social sustainability satisfaction was the highest. It was 84%, while 48% satisfaction for the economic sustainability, and it was a neutral stance on environmental sustainability. For the non-manager position, social and economic sustainability satisfaction was nearly the same. It was 50%, with less than a third satisfied with the environmental sustainability. The shown figure, which is represent the corporate sustainability dimensions for the three sections. Taking into consideration all demographic information factors, the social sustainability satisfaction reaches 60% of the total respondents, while almost 16% of the respondents are unsatisfied. For the economic sustainability, it shows almost half of the respondents are satisfied, while 26% of them are unsatisfied. For the last dimension, which is the environmental dimension, the environmental sustainability shows that only 36 of the respondents are satisfied. The findings: the survey explores the relationship between organizational sustainability and corporate culture, showing varied responses across demographic groups. A significant finding in the high internal consistency among survey items, with area for improvement identified in the environmental sustainability. Social sustainability identifies high support for initiatives among employees. Analysis of the economic sustainability measures and their acceptance among employees show general support, highlighting area for further development. Environmental initiatives faces challenges, indicating a need for increased focus and a new insight into environmental sustainability efforts and area for improvement. Finally, for the conclusion, the study concludes that while there is a substantial support for social and economic sustainability, the environmental sustainability receives the least support and faces the highest opposition, indicating a need for enhanced focus and communication of environmental initiatives. The social sustainability has the highest support, indicating effective engagement with stakeholders. Economic sustainability measures are supported, with the potential for value creation highlighted. Environmental sustainability requires more attention to improve the company's long-term viability and suggest adopting specific policies to enhance corporate culture, corporate sustainability, and the potential for further research in this area. Thank you for listening and good luck for all. Thank you. Bye.